Hey folks, just redoing this thing that I did a while ago because I don't think YouTube really promoted it, and I kind of want to just do a long form version of it. So this is where you can go to see the annular solar eclipse, which is the ring of fire so-called eclipse, where the moon is surrounded by a ring of sunlight at its peak. Here's where you can go to see it. Being in, I think, you want to be in the dark orange area if you can at all help it. You'll still see something in the other areas, but that's where you'll see the annular effect, and it's going to be the most spectacular. It's not literally the difference between light and day as in the case of a total solar eclipse, but still, it's kind of just like you want to be in there if you can help it. So we're going to do this one more time. And obviously this shows, I forget what the scale was, but I saw it like a couple minutes ago, or like a couple seconds ago at the start of the video. And you can tell increasing coverage towards the center, but, really it's sort of like you either want to go all or nothing with these eclipses. You don't want to be like, oh, I can see 10% coverage, 40% coverage. Yeah, that's not the same as like having a ring of fire or total solar eclipse. Believe me, you want to be in the center. And you can see the UTC time that these events will happen at too. And if you want to see how UTC translates to current time, this is current UTC time right now. 7:20 a.m. here, and it's 12:20 p.m. at Greenwich, which is what UTC is related to. I think it's the same as Zulu. Or alternatively, you could look at this map. Unfortunately, it doesn't show South America, so you're kind of SOL if you want to use this. But you could use this map in order to see when it'll be at certain spots in the U.S. And again, you want to be in the central band. You'll still see something if you're near it, but it won't be as impressive. And then it even shows the 2024 total solar eclipse that if you miss this one, you definitely want to see that one for sure. If you want to, honestly, if you want to see one of the two, I'd say that one, but why not have both if you can? That's my view on the situation. So anyways, I might upload another video, maybe like in the days coming up to it, just to try and show cloud cover. Because obviously if you're going to be looking, well, you shouldn't be looking directly at it without glasses, but if you're going to be observing a solar eclipse of any kind, it kind of helps not to have a bunch of clouds in the way. Just a thought. So yeah, I'm going to try to upload that when it becomes more relevant. Obviously now it's a little bit too far out. The models of the weather service and the NOAA and whatever, they might not really pick it up as well as in the future because random variations. But once it gets more close to the event, I'm going to definitely start sharing those and just say, here's where it's going to be cloudy, here's where it's not, so you can maybe try to plan ahead a little bit as much as you can. Obviously, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of other people that are going to see this, so you probably can't just ad hoc book a hotel directly in the eclipse path, but you can maybe start driving a little bit earlier than you would have otherwise. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on that. And let's hope to see indirectly a very impressive eclipse.